Hi, this is Roger Eagleton with 5 Star Property Management based out of Burlingame, California. Today's blog topic is on, do you need insurance? The answer to that question is yes, you need insurance, and the higher the limits and the higher the policy amounts, the better. As a landlord, you should be interested in what's called a landlord's policy. Typically, this will be an umbrella type policy that will protect yourself from liability if the tenant is injured in the property or if there's some other type of event that occurs. Ideally, again, the limits that you want are as high as you can possibly afford in order to shield yourself from any personal liability. We'd like to think that nothing bad will ever occur, but it is the times that we live in, and people are very litigious. So our advice really is to get the highest and the best quality insurance that you can get. On the tenant side, though, we do also require that the tenant has insurance. That will help to minimize your risk to a certain amount. But again, at the end of the day, as a landlord, your job really is to look out for your best interest. And part of that is to have adequate insurance on that rental property. Most homeowners insurance policies that you might currently have for a home that you live in really are not going to be sufficient to cover what your needs are. So you really want to give that insurance agent a call and say, hey, I'm going to be renting out this property. What policies do you have that you can recommend to me? And then kind of go around and shop from there. We can't really give out any particular insurance providers because they're all going to be different. It's all going to depend on what your personal situation is. But at the end of the day, it is very important for you to be properly insured just to protect your interest and protect your assets from any unfortunate events that could occur. For questions on maybe how your property is going, or questions on what kind of things you should look for in a policy, feel free to give us a call. We can give you a list that we have, and we can also give you a list of other items to look for when you are getting your property ready to rent, namely things to look for with your tenant selection, things to look for when requiring renter's insurance. Basically, any questions you have about the process, give us a call. We'd be happy to sit down and talk to you, or just shoot us an email as well. Our contact information is listed below, and we're always happy to talk to you. Thank you for watching this blog topic, and we look forward to speaking with you.